Dear student, welcome to my online maths class. Today we'll practice from NCERT class 9 maths chapter 11 surface area and volumes from exercise 11.1. In exercise 11.1 the question number 1 is given. The diameter of the base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its length height is 10 centimeter. Find its curved surface area. So these are actually the basic question from surface area and volumes. So we'll start from the basic question. So in surface area and volumes, in my previous videos, I have given the formulas like cube, cone, cylinder, then sphere, hemisphere, spherical shell. All these formulas are given already. So in this video, I am not giving the formulas. So I'll start from the question only. So here diameter is given, but in our formula the radius is needed. That's why we will write it the diameter of the base of the cone equal, it is given 10.5 centimeter. Therefore we will write therefore the radius. Therefore the radius of the base of the cone, we know that the radius is half of the diameter. So we'll divide 10.5 by 2 to get the radius. So let it be like that. Now slant height is also given, so we'll write slant height equal to, it is given 10 centimeter, so we'll write 10 centimeter. Now we'll write therefore the curved surface area. So in short we can write CSA. You can write in full form. So the curved surface area of the cone equal to, now what is the formula of curved surface area of the cone? It is pi RL. So it is pi RL. So let me write first pi R into L. Here pi is given 22/7. If it is given 3.14, then we will use the value of pi as 3.14. Otherwise, we will write, take the value as 22/7. R is the radius and L is the slant height. So just to replace the value pi as 22/7 and R equal to 10.5/2. So we can write here 10.5/2 into L. So L is 10. As it is area, surface area, so we'll write centimeter square or square centimeter equal. Now it is divisible by 7. We'll cut it. 10 ones are 10, 3. So point is coming. So 35, 5 7s are 35. So it is 1.5. And here 2 is also divisible by 10. It is 5 to the 10. Now to multiply 22, 1.5 and 5 to get the curved surface area. So if we multiply 1.5 into 5, it is 7.5 and here it is 22. So we'll multiply here 75 and 22. So it is 0.561. Here one decimal, so we put here one decimal there. So the answer is 165 centimeter square. So this is the answer of question number 1. Now we'll start question number 2. Now we'll start question number 2. In question number 2 it is given, find the total surface area of a cone if its length height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. So in cone, we know that the curved surface area is pi r l and total surface area is pi r into r plus l. It means pi r square plus pi r l. So if we take common pi r, so it is pi r into r plus l. So here radius also given, slant height also given. So very easy, only to replace the values to get the answer. So let us start. First of all, we'll write the slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone is given 21 meter. 21 meter. Diameter is given, we have to convert it into radius. Diameter of the cone equal 24 meter. Therefore, radius of the cone equal to, directly we can write by dividing 2, we'll get 12 meter. So these are the measures given. Now we'll find the total surface area of the cone. Therefore, we can write total surface area. In short, I have written, you can write in full form, total surface area of the cone equal, as we know, the formula is pi r into r plus l. So equal, pi is 22 by 7 into r is 12. So we'll put here 12 into r is 12 and l is 21. So we'll write 21. As it is area, so we'll write meter square equal. Now here it is not divisible, so we'll add 12 plus 21 equal to 33. So into 33 meter square. Now we have to multiply, as it is not divisible. So 33 into 12 equal 396. Then we'll multiply it by 22. 8712. So it is 8712. 8712 divided by 7. 8712 by 7. Now meter square. Now we can write it in mixed fraction also, or we can convert it into decimal. So if we convert it into mixed fraction also, it is correct. So 7 1s are 7. Here it is 1, so 17. 7 2s are 14. Here it is 17, so 3 left, so 3 31. 4 7s are 28. 7 2s are 14, 31. 4 7s are, so it is 332. So again it is 4 times. 4 times, so it is 32, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 4. So we'll write 4 by 7 meter square. So this is the answer. 1 to 44 whole 4 by 7. In this form also you can write the answer. Otherwise you can convert it into decimal. So this is the total surface area of the cone. Now we'll start question number 3. Now we'll start question number 3. In question number 3 it is given curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find number 1 radius of the base and number 2 total surface area of the cone. So as we know that The curved surface area of a cone is pi r L. Here L is given, pi also we know 22/7, so we can find r. So let us start with question number 1. Roman 1. So we can write given pi r L equal, directly we can write pi r L equal 308. Pi r L equal to 308. This implies pi, let us replace the values. So 22/7 into r into L is given. So L is given 14 centimeter. So we'll write 14 equal 308. Here I have not written the unit because I have written it as a form of equation. So we are solving it. That's why here no need to write the unit. Now here it is. Easily we can count it here 2 times. Then we can write here 22 into 2 equal to 44. So R equal, directly we can write 308 divided by 44. Now let us see whether 308 is divisible by 44. So if it is difficult to cut it directly, so we can cut it, as we know that it is divisible by 11. So we'll cut it first by 11. So 11 4s are 44, and here 11 2s are 22. 8 is remained, so 88. 8 11s are 88. Again it is divisible. 4 7s are 28. So the radius of the cone is 7 centimeter. So the first answer is finished. Now we'll find the total surface area. So radius is 7 centimeter. Now in Roman 2 we have to find the total surface area. So we'll write total surface area of the cone equal. So we know that the total surface area of the cone is pi r into r plus L. So let us write the formula first. R plus L. Now we'll replace the value 22/7. R we have already found. Find it. So it is 7, and here 7 plus L is 14. Now 7 cancel. 7 plus 14 equal to 21. So 22 into 21 centimeter square. If we multiply it, it is 462 centimeter square. So this is the answer of question number 2. Now we'll start question number 4. Let us start question number 4. In question number 4, it is given a conical tent is 10 meter high, mean the height is 10 meter, and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find, the first one is length height of the tent. Number 2, cost of the canvas required to make the tent, if the cost of 1 square meter is rupees 70. So what are the measurement given? Height is given and radius also given. Now we'll find slant height. So we know that in cone the slant height formula is pi r L. So r also given. Radius is given, pi r L. So L is not given. So you have to find the L to get the answer. So let us write first height of the tent. Height of the tent equal 10 meter. 10 meter. Radius of its base equal 24 meter. Therefore, we can write first, therefore, slant height. Slant height of the cone. So, slant height is L. Now, we have to draw the figure to make it clear. So, let it be a cone. Now, in this cone, this is the diameter of the base of the cone, and that one is the height, and this is radius, that one also radius. So, it is not looking perfectly in the middle due to my drawing. So, it is in the middle. So, this is radius R, that one is height H, and that part is, this line is called slant height. So, as we know that, look, that one, this is a right triangle. It is forming a right triangle, and in this right triangle, we can use the Pythagoras theorem, and in this right triangle, that slant height is representing the hypotenuse, and that one is, you can say, base, and that one is height of the right triangle. So, according to the Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square equal to radius square plus height square. So, we can use this formula here, the Pythagoras formula. So, slant height equal to, directly if we want to write, so it is square root of R square plus A square equal. So, R, it is 24. So, we can write 24 square plus height is 10. So, it is 10 square equal. Now, square root of 24 is 576. So, let us see. So, it is 576. Here it is 576 plus 10 square equal to 100 equal square root of 576 plus 100 equal to 676 equal. Now, the square root of 676 is 26. So, we will write 26. The unit is given in meter. So, this is the answer of slant height of the cone. This is the first part. Now, we'll solve, now we'll find the cost in question number 2. So, let us remember the slant height of the cone is 26 meter. Now, I am removing it. Number 2, in shortcut we can write the required cost. The required cost equal, as it is given, the cost is rupees 70 per square meter. Our answer is 26. Cost of canvas required to make the tent. So, required cost, before the required cost, we have to find the curved surface area. Yes. So, we'll find the curved surface area first. So, we'll write CSA of the tent equal. So, it is pi RL. So, let us write pi RL equal to 22 by 7 into R is 24 into L is 26. Just we find out. So, it is meter square equal. Now, It is not divisible, so we have to multiply it. Or we can write directly the cost. Therefore, the required cost, equal. So it is 70. So we'll write here rupees 70 into 22 by 7 into 24 into 26 equal. Now 70, it is divisible by 7, it is 10, and we need to multiply it. We'll use now calculator to get the answer. Otherwise it will consume time, so it will reduce our time. It is 24 into 26, 24 into 26 is 624 equal into 22 into 22 equal to 13728. So it is rupees 137,280 because it is multiplied by 10. So this is the answer. It is 1 lakh. We can use comma 1,37,280. So this is the answer of the second part. Now we'll start question number 5. Let us start question number 5 now. In question number 5, it is given what length of the tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter. Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching, margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. And here also given pi is 3.14. We'll use pi as 3.14. So as it is the tent, conical tent, so we know that in conical tent the base is not there, so we'll calculate only about the curved surface area. So this is to be noted. So we have to remember that in tent, if in the question the tent is given, so we'll always consider the curved surface area only. Here base is not there. So it is also given the width of the tarpaulin is given, length is not given. Another thing we have to remember that the extra length 20 centimeter is used in stitching and margin for cutting. So let us start. First of all, we'll write let the length be L. Let the length be L as it is given in meter. We can write and length be L meter. Now we can write according to question. According to question, we know that the slant height, we have to find slant height here because in curved surface area it is L is needed, but L is not given. Yeah, radius is given and height also given. So we'll write the area of the tarpaulin is, if the length is L, so it is L into, because 20 centimeter is needed, that one, so we have to remember that one also. So if we convert 20 centimeter into meter, it is 0.2 meter, so we have to subtract it from L. So it is 0.2 into width is given 3, that one. So it is important to remember here, it is carefully equal. Now we'll write the area in terms of cone, mean pi r L. So pi is given 3.14, we'll use into r. R is given 6 and slant height directly not given, so we have to write it in this form: r square plus h is given 8, so it is 8 square. So this is the equation. From this equation, by solving, we can find L. So let us solve it. This implies, so if we multiply here, so it is 3L minus, it is 0.6 equal, now let us write 3.14 into 6 into, we will calculate it in short. So 6 square equal to 36, 8 square equal to 64, 36 plus 64 equal to 100, and square root of 100 is 10. So you can also use in short. This implies, now 3L we can write equal. So if we multiply it, so here you can see here 10 is multiplied, so here 31.4, so 31.4 into 6, 31 into 6, 1 decimal, so it is 188.4, so it is 188.4. Then here 0.6 is there, so after side change it will be plus 0.6. This implies 3L equal, so 188.4 plus 0.6 equal 189. This implies L equal 189 by 3 equal 63. So this L. So we can write the answer. Here I am writing. Therefore, the required length of the tarpaulin equal 63 meter. So this is the answer. So today up to this, in next video we'll start from question number 6. Thank you.